Hey guys, this is Easy Breezy. Thank you for tuning in to yet another one of my full lace wig install classes. First, I'm going to fit the lace on my client's head. Or let her fit it. Now I'm going to take a regular eyeliner pencil and actually draw the outline of the lace. This is just so I know how to lay the glue down. Now my client is letting me know exactly where she wants me to place the lace. Make sure you have these consultations with your client because you do not want to take the frontal back up once you've glued it down. Now the shape I'm drawing with the glue is a little bit different than the eyeliner line I drew because my client told me she wanted the lace to sit a little more toward her hairline and not so far down. Okay, now it's time to spread the glue evenly all the way around. And this is a question that everyone asks me. I only use one coat, but I make sure it's nice and thick. And I spread it evenly and wait till it turns completely clear before I put the lace down. And it should definitely stick. If the glue is not thick enough and it's kind of dry before you put the lace down, it won't stick. And you're going to need 2 coats regardless. Now, while this glue dries, you can watch me and my client take apple cider vinegar shots. Yes, right in the middle of our appointment.
Okay. Bro, is it nasty?
Yes. Control blood sugar, diabetes, clear your skin, antifungal,
But it's this big though?
probiotic.
So you drink it fast?
Yeah, I'm just trying to gulp it down.
What if I throw
take
up?
my smoothie out my chaser.
Yeah,
Right there on site.
I want to try it every day, but like not if it smells like this.
Alright, ready, steady.
Yeah, that's why Jackson's trying to sneak his ass up there.
But
One sip is fine. You did good. You did good, kid. Hey, we did it in the name of good health. Okay, so now I'm going to put the lace down and I'm being very careful. Once you put the lace in the glue, you don't want to lift it back up or it's going to turn white and stringy and it's not going to look so clear no more. Now I'm going to take my shears and cut the excess lace off. Take a cotton swab with Sea Breeze and erase the eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to start her mold and I'm going to set the hair with Tropical Roots Setting Foam by Brown & Bros. Okay, for the baby hair, I'm going to part out a thin row of hair in the front and cut it about 1 to 2 inches. To actually style my baby hair, I always use my comb and smooth method. Smooth with your left hand and comb with your right. Now, to get a nice flat mold, your client's hair must be very wet with the foam or water, combed in the direction, and set under the dryer for about 15 minutes. Waves on swim, yeah! Now it's time for the best part, styling. Woo! Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, you can buy this full lace wig off galaxygirlhair.com.